welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to talk about sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. For today's lesson, we have the following objectives. Number 1, define a sentence. Number 2, identify examples of a sentence. And number 3, construct your own sentence. Together, let's achieve these following objectives. I know we can do this. Let us start. First, let us know the meaning of a sentence. A sentence is a word or group of words that expresses a complete thought or idea. It has the two parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is what or who we are talking about in a sentence, while the predicate describes or tells something about the subject. Now these are the basic characteristics of a sentence. Remember that a sentence has a subject and a predicate. Also, it always begins with a capital letter. And lastly, it always ends with an end mark such as period, question mark, and exclamation point. Now here are some examples of a sentence. The flowers are lovely. In this sentence, our subject is the word flowers, while the predicate is the word lovely. Notice that it starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Also, it has a complete thought or idea. Another example, exercise is important to our body. Ron studies his lessons well. Here are some more examples. Sheena is reading. Yummy! My mom baked cookies. And lastly, should we wash our hands regularly? Now that we're done with our lesson, it's quiz time. Identify which of the following is a sentence. Write S if it is a sentence and NS if it is not. Are you ready? Come on, we can do this. Number 1. The bamboo tree is tall and pliant. Is it a sentence or not? Very good. It is a sentence. First, it has a complete thought or idea. It starts with a capital letter. It ends with a period, and it has the subject and the predicate. Very good. Number 2, get along with friends. Is it a sentence or not? Correct. This is not a sentence. Number 3, Luisa is a smart kid. The correct answer? S. It is a sentence. And number 4 is strictly prohibited. What do you think is the answer? Correct. Antes. It is not a sentence. And number 5, we can overcome this pandemic through prayers. Sentence or not? Exactly. S. It is a sentence. Very good. Now, let us try to examine these pictures and construct our own sentences. Remember to apply the characteristics of sentences that you have learned earlier. I have here my own answers. Number 1, Ben is writing. For number 2, the children are playing. And lastly, the dog is barking. If you have completed your sentences, congratulations! Job well done! Now that's it for lesson for today. Thank you very much for listening and for watching. I will see you again. This is Irma Estramela at your service.